Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about running nodes as activity for airdrop farming, and I want to share my experience, my opinion and thoughts. Is it worth doing nodes as part of airdrop activities or not? Why actually I think so. And first of all, some people have some stereotypes about running nodes in airdrop space. Even those guys who are 24/7 in doing some testnet, mainnet activities, but those people still think that it is easy to run a node. Plus, at the same time, you rewarded a lot. Yes, running node is the most rewarded activities, mainly for now. For example, even Celestia, they gave 8,000 tokens for running only one node. But as my friend sent me this message saying that seems all hard work for airdrops could be done with running only one node, and this is absolutely not true statement. And let me explain why. Yes, it's rewarded a lot because of course obviously it requires some technical skills, and it's just less people who can do it technically compared to some testnet, mainnet activities. It's more complex, but at the same time, if you are in the airdrop space, you will agree with me that airdrop, it is not easy money. It requires a lot of hard work. It requires your time. It requires your full attention. I would say it's 24/7 job, and you could work for 6 months without seeing any results. You invest money, you don't know is it going to be a good reward or not. You do investment, paying fees, and it is not that easy and not that free money, at least in my opinion. And it is actually the same thing happening with running nodes, because it requires some specific hardware requirements for each node. It's different, and plus you need to buy some virtual space, virtual private services, VPS on the cloud, and pay some monthly fees for it. And guys, imagine if you're doing some airdrop activities for 2 years, you need to buy this VPS for 2 years without any idea is it going to be something at the end or not. So it's same pain, I would say, because I was part in one node community. Those guys are mostly doing nodes without any other testnet, mainnet activities, because they are so focused on it. It takes their time. If you start with one project, you will probably do others. Same with average mainnet testnet activities, and each project requires different hardware requirements, and you need to also kind of manage it. You need to see is a node is running, is it all good or not. If not, check what's happening and fix it. So it's again everyday work. It's not that easy. It requires investment from your side, so don't think it's just something easy. And again, based on the project, the complexity of the node is different, so and setup could be different. So not that easy, and especially for those guys who are starting with airdrops and considering doing some testnet, doing some mainnets, running nodes, considering different ecosystem. I would say you need to be more focused